Buckle up, adventurers! Today we embark on an exhilarating 10-minute road trip from Coimbatore to the magical hill stations of Ooty and Coonoor. Our journey takes us through the charming town of Mettupalaiyam, and we'll be exploring some of the most breathtaking spots along the way. So currently, if you see, we are on the Mettupalaiyam to Ooty road. So where we'll be encountering the first check post, where we'll be paying a fair amount of price. But we have heard that the local vehicles are exempted on this check post. So currently, our wheels hit the road as we leave the bustling city of Mettupalaiyam. The picturesque journey to Ooty offers scenic views of lush landscapes and quaint villages, setting the tone for the adventure ahead. I guess there occurred an accident, so that the roads have been blocked. So the police people have blocked each side of the road and thereby allowing only one side of the vehicles at a time. So which caused a delay of half an hour to leave this place. We are around 4 adults and 3 kids traveling by the car. On the side you can see majestic mountains, cascading waterfalls, the tea estates, and the mesmerizing viewpoints. Arriving at Coonoor, we encounter the quaint charm of this hill town. The heritage steam train awaits us, offering a nostalgic ride through the picturesque terrain, surrounded by emerald tea estates. Currently, we are entering Ooty, which is regarded as the queen of the hills. This town is quite baffling city because people flock around all around the world. It's quite a good hill station, and recent days it has become a lot of commercial activities. As we make our way towards Pykara, we stumble upon the pine forest and the tranquil waters, which creates a postcard perfect scene, urging us to pause and take in the beauty of nature. Right now we are past the 7th mile. This is a prominent location, and we will be exploring while we return back from the Pykara, because we thought like we will first reach the Pykara Lake and then we'll cover each location thereby. At present, it's raining outside, which makes the trip even more interesting and thrilling. It's more pleasant weather outside. You can see people enjoying the weather and sitting the roadside. And right now we have reached the boathouse entrance, and the rates for the two-wheeler is 10 rupees, car and jeep 20, and for heavy vehicles is 40 rupees. The road is quite rugged, like it's more rickety, like a lot of potholes, and it's quite an adventurous journey. The winding roads through the verdant hills create an unforgettable aroma, leaving us awe-inspired by the beauty of nature's canvas. We have reached the Pykara boathouse, so you can see rain being poured everywhere. As we planned for the boat ride at the Ooty boathouse, we just came here to take a snapshot. A short hike from the lake leads us to the majestic Pykara waterfalls. The cascading waters put on a mesmerizing show, and the cool mist refreshes our spirits, leaving us energized for the journey ahead. And we need to walk to the falls, and this is the road. exclusive journey into the heart of history and bravery, the Madras Regiment Center at Wellington. Today, we venture into the hallowed grounds of this prestigious institution, where courage and honor are etched into every stone. As we step inside the Madras Regiment Center, we are greeted by a majestic entrance that pays homage to the valorous soldiers who have served the nation with stop at the famous Indian bakery in Coonoor. Delectable pastries provide a delightful end to our culinary adventure. Thanks for watching this video till the end.